Guys, this is Mas Smart B101 12 megapixel floodlight Wi-Fi wireless PTZ bullet camera. Guys, I have got this parcel from Amazon today. So guys, I am going to unboxing this bullet camera. You can see here. So guys, let's watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, today here you can see this is a surveillance camera. So guys, today in this video I will share how to get online this device with this Geo file. So guys, I will show you now. This is a 12 volt DC line. And this is a network port RJ45, and this is a reset button. So let's watch the full video how to connect and keep online. You guys connect this power adapter. You can see here. So this is a DC, 12 volt DC, and this so guys, now you need the smartphone. I will connect with this smartphone. This is Geo 5. So guys, open the Play Store. Now type the hain. Now install it. Only 13 MB. installation is progress. Now connect the Wi-Fi. Now I am connected, done. So cam hain is installed. Now let's open, agree. Hello, so guys, now add the camera. Click on this UID. UID is available in your camera, so write the UID like that. P 4009 06. Click that add. So connecting, the camera is connecting, you can see. So now let's open. I know. So guys, you can see the camera is online. You can see guys, I am moving the camera. So guys, this is only for Wi-Fi only. So guys, how to access from your smartphone data? So let's see. So back. So then go to the setting, Wi-Fi setting, Wi-Fi manager, and then give the password, Wi-Fi password. Password is available in your device. Wi-Fi setting is successfully. So guys, now still the camera is online. So guys, in this condition, turn off the Wi-Fi and then click on the camera again, connecting. You can see here guys, camera is online. This is you can mobile data, not Wi-Fi. Then connect. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe this channel if you are new in my channel.